पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन सिंड्रोम। इस डिजीज को लेकर बहुत सारे कॉमन मिथ्स और क्वेरीज लोगों के दिमाग में रहते हैं जिनका उन्हें कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिलता, कोई आंसर नहीं मिलता। सो आज की इस एपिसोड में हम उन सारे मिथ्स और क्वेरीज के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली इंटरेस्टिंग। और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को जरूर शेयर कीजिए, इस चैनल को ढेर सारे लाइक्स एंड सब्सक्राइब दीजिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टी टाइम एंड गॉसिप विद मी, डॉक्टर अपर्णा। Myth number 1. Can I get pregnant if I have PCOS? So the answer is yes. You can get pregnant while having PCOS. You just need to follow good diet, correct your lifestyle routine and have your supplements in routine. Gradually, your hormones will be balanced and hey, you will be a proud mother soon. Please get in touch with a functional medicine practitioner for further guidance and support. Myth number 2. My menstrual cycle is irregular. That means I have PCOS. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर आपकी मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल इरेगुलर है तो आपको पीसीओएस ही है। देखिए, पीसीओएस डायग्नोस होने के सर्टेन पैरामीटर्स हैं। नंबर 1, हार्मोन इम्बैलेंस, जिसे हम हार्मोनल प्रोफाइल के थ्रू चेक कर सकते हैं। नंबर 2, योर सिस्ट इन द ओवरीज, that can be diagnosed through the ultrasound. And number 3, other symptoms like weight gain, hirsutism, acne, etc. इनके बारे में मैंने डिटेल में एपिसोड 1 में बताया है, so please check that. Now the myth number 3, that everyone with PCOS will be overweight or obese only. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। Many of the cases with PCOS is not at all obese. They are rather lean and thin. Now this is known as lean PCOS. In this, the insulin resistance problem is not developed, so the overweight or weight gain problem doesn't come. But other symptoms remain the same. Like the person can have the cyst in the ovaries, and they can also have other symptoms like hirsutism, acne, menstrual cycle irregularity. Now, the myth number 4. If I have PCOS, then I need to have birth control pills only. There is no other option. No, that is not at all true. Basically, birth control pills contains hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which are needed for a regular menstrual flow. So having birth control pills will induce a regular withdrawal bleeding. That is, when you stop taking pills, in 2 to 3 days, you will have bleeding. But that is not a natural period. These pills also suppress the production of male hormones, thus reducing the symptoms of acne, facial hair growth, etc. But this is just symptomatic relief and not the cure of your root cause problem of PCOS. Myth number 5, that women with PCOS can't lose weight. That is not true at all, as you can lose weight by curing the cause of the PCOS or obesity, that is hormone imbalance or insulin resistance. Following proper diet, physical activity and supplement support can help you in losing the weight. So these were some common myths about PCOS. I hope you got the answer to many of your queries. So this was all about in this episode. फिर मिलेंगे टी टाइम एंड गॉसिप विद मी, डॉक्टर अपर्णा. Till then, goodbye and take care.